DJ Delz.
Welcome to a brand new episode here at the Delz Show. The Delz Show. We've got a new pair of sneakers I got and a new Funko Pop. Both I can't wait to unbox. Let's start off with the sneakers. So this is an exclusive that I got that just recently released. And it's a collaboration shoe. And it is a pair of Vans. This is the collaboration with Shoe Palace. And these are really, really nice. Wait till I show you what they look like. Look at that. And what I love about them, which you'll see in just a second, on the medial side, you have the checkerboard, as you can see right there. And on this side, you don't. So when you're walking, you see the checkerboard on the medial side. And I think that's really, really dope. You got your canvas upper with the real nice premium leather. I mean, it's, when I tell you this is just a really nice leather, it puts, you know, a lot of these other sneakers to shame as far as the leather. It's a real nice soft leather. So I definitely recommend these. Look at that tongue right there. I mean, it's just a real nice quality shoe. And I will do a more detailed look on my sneaker channel. Look at the interior, all leather. Usually the Vans are leather interior. Really a dope pair of sneakers in my opinion. Check out the outsole. And I just love how, you know, it's on the medial side, so when you're walking, you'll see, you know, the actual checkerboard print, which is such a classic print. I will put more information in the description box below on these. There's also, I'm pretty sure it's an old school version. They have two. I will link that in the description box if you're looking to pick them up. Shout out to Shoe Palace also. I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. And next, we're going to get into my Funko Pop Pickup, which you probably may know what it is if you're a lifer and you watch all the videos. And if you're not subscribed here, please make sure you do subscribe here and hit that little bell next to the subscribe button. It lets YouTube know that you would like to be notified whenever I upload a new video so you don't miss out on future content. This box I'm a little worried about because you see that. So I'm hoping it's not dented. I hate when my boxes are dented. I really do, because I like stacking them. You see how I stack them? And if it's all dented up, it just sucks, you know? So hopefully this box is not all jacked up. This is from Hot Topic, and usually they're pretty good about things. They double box usually. So we'll see if they do it. Oh, see? They did double box right there. So we're good. No worries. And I feel like they should always double box because, you know, we love getting them perfect, like mint condition, right? Thumbs up that damn button right now if you agree. And right there it says what we got. I don't know if it's showing up on camera. It's very tiny right there. Hopefully you don't get to see what it is, so it's a surprise. But look, look at that. Oh, that looks so awesome. It's Kenny. Zombie Kenny. Oh my god. I'm sorry. Yes, I'm geeking out. I just love South Park, and I think it's awesome that I got this. I really, really wanted it, and I got it. I got the Zombie Kenny. I think you still can actually purchase this, so I will link that in the description box below. He looks amazing. He looks absolutely amazing, and I'm just happy to have it. I don't know if it's super limited or not. I do own that one too, and man, I'm just super duper happy to have Kenny. Let me know your favorite Kenny moment or your favorite South Park moment. Would love to know. Leave down in the comment box below. I always loved the Christmas Pooh episode. I just always thought that was great. Plus the Kanye West, the gay fish episode was so funny with the fish sticks, the gay fish. I just thought that it was just dead on, because you could kind of see Kanye being like that. I mean, not exactly like that. You know, they take it to a whole nother level. But they're great at grabbing celebrities and then turning it up a notch. The Michael Jackson episode was bonkers too. That was another crazy episode with Michael Jackson. Let me know your favorite episodes of South Park, or your favorite Kenny moment where they killed Kenny, them bastards. Let me know that in the comment box below. But yeah, this is an awesome Funko Pop, and the box is pretty sweet. I mean, there's a little boo-boo right there, but I'm not mad at that. As long as I could stack them cleanly, where it's not like, you know, all morphed up and looking all crazy, then everything's a go. I'm happy. So I'm happy with this pickup, and I may get another one because I really love it so much. I may have one just for display out the box. So I'm going to start doing a display soon and take some out of the box and keep some in the box. So that probably will happen sooner or later, and I'll probably have like a shelf somewhere in my room because like I have like a lot of empty space. There's one of my prized possessions, which is Star Wars: A New Hope poster, autographed by some of the cast, like Carrie Fisher and more. I mean, R.I.P. to Carrie Fisher. So sad. But I'm getting back to the Pops. Yeah, this is my newest pickup. I also recently got this right here, this Black Panther Erik Killmonger exclusive from Target. I can't believe I scored it, but I got it, and I'm happy I got it. I'm trying to think what else I got that was new. Oh, I got Eugene right here. Love Eugene. Even though he's kind of a douche at times, I think he's going to come back and join Rick and the gang again. I'm hoping so. We'll see. You know, I want to talk more about The Walking Dead. I have a podcast where I talk about all types of stuff. If you're into the kind of stuff that I'm speaking on, definitely join my Patreon over at patreon.com/DJ Delz. We talk about all types of stuff, from sneakers to comics to movies to current events to wrestling, all types of stuff. And the great thing about it is only the members, they can listen to it, so it's an exclusive for Patreon members. And on top of that, you're an executive producer if you're a member, which means you join, you get to tell me through a thread what you want me to speak about, and I deliver what you want me to speak about. This way, no one's ever disappointed in the podcast. Plus, I do a monthly giveaway. So, it's definitely something I think you guys will enjoy. I'm looking at this pop right here, and it makes me sad. Toys R Us, I can't believe they're closing. It's so terrible. I went in there, they had stuff 10% off. I didn't pick up anything, but, you know, it just is so terrible to think that they're closing. Like, you know, I grew up going to Toys R Us. I take my kids there. I have vlogs with my kids going to Toys R Us, and they're closing, which is, it's sad. It's just sad. This is a great pop. If you could get it, I recommend it. Moss Man, he's got that flocked vibe, so it's really like he has moss on his face. You can still find this online. I will link that in the description box below when I get a chance, and if I haven't yet, leave that in the comments to remind me, because this one is sweet. I really recommend you get this one, and it's still available now. I'm trying to think of any other pops that I really recommend you getting. Oh, I recently got this Stanley one, which is a Walmart exclusive. I think it's still maybe available. I'll try to put info on it if it is. And I did pick up one new pop from Game of Thrones, Davos. It looks just like him. They did such a great job on him, so I'm happy with that pickup. And I'm trying to think what else I got that's very new. Oh, another Game of Thrones pop, and he's just super badass. You could still find these. FYE carries them. I don't know if you can find them online. If I find them online, I will link it in the description box also. But a lot of FYEs are carrying these, so I suggest just going to FYE. You should be able to pick this one up. This, I'm pretty sure, is an FYE exclusive, so the only place you'll be able to pick it up is over at FYE. Unless you go to, you know, the Comic-Con conventions and all that good stuff. Some people were wondering why I keep posting old videos after the beginning, which is new. Like, I'll put, like, half a video that's new, and then I'll connect an old video. It's me basically just doing that, and I'm not going to do it on this video, no worries. But I've had people, I don't know if they were complaining or just kind of scratching their head why. I was doing that so new viewers could get a better idea of the video. Instead of it being a short 2-3 minute me picking something up, I wanted to make the video longer so people could actually see some of the pickup videos, like the time where I've got like 6 chases, I think, at once, which was pretty damn crazy, and I lucked out. That was the illest pickup video I've ever done, so on one shopping day. But yeah, that's why I did that, and just wanted to give you guys a heads up why I did that, because some are like, am I going crazy or did I see this already? So you're not going crazy. I just wanted to do that just to spread it out a little bit so that people that are new get to see more of the content. And I will be doing more shopping vlogs, looking for pops real soon. I've just been like super busy. I've been ordering a lot online versus going out at the stores, but there's a ton of stuff releasing next month that I'm super hype about, so stay tuned. And plus, make sure you follow my Twitter at DJ Delz. I post a lot of information where you can find brand new pops at, so follow me at DJ Delz. All that will be in the description box below for your convenience. And join the Patreon. If you don't like it, you can always cancel, but I think once you join and give it a shot, you'll really enjoy it. Plus, you have the chance of winning a Funko Pop every single month, so definitely join. Thanks for tuning in. Leave your comments and let me know what pops you are looking for. That way, if someone's reading the comments, they may be able to help you out. Who knows, maybe I will be able to help you out. And that's it for today's vid. Thanks for tuning in. Much love. We out.